Today we're making lemon pepper shrimp with orzo, a nice light spring meal that comes together in 15 minutes.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister and I share our favorite dinner combos. We're cooking a main dish and a side in our separate kitchens. This lemon pepper shrimp and orzo bowl is what we make when we're short on time but still want a delicious dinner. It cooks up really fast. I'm handling the shrimp today, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna season the shrimp. You wanna start out with shelled, deveined, and cleaned shrimp. You can buy them that way in the grocery store and that will speed things up. Or if you wanna do it on your own, I'll put a link to our tip on how to easily shell and clean shrimp. For the seasoning, we're doing lemon pepper seasoning, a little salt, and some paprika for a smoky kick. Make sure you coat each shrimp evenly. Time to heat up the skillet. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And once it's hot, in go the shrimp. These cook pretty fast, just about 2 to 3 minutes per side. As soon as they're pink and opaque, they're coming out. Let's check in with Laura. She's making the orzo.
Orzo is the perfect side dish for when you don't know what to make. It's really quick and easy, and you can change up the flavors however you like. Today, we're sticking with lemon juice and butter. I've got a pot of salted water boiling here, so let's go ahead and add the orzo, and it'll cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Give it a good stir once in a while to keep it from sticking to the bottom. While the orzo's cooking, I'm gonna prepare the tomatoes. We're using cherry tomatoes today. These add a nice pop of color and a little bit of zest to the dish. Cut them in half and then throw them in a bowl. Then we're gonna dress them up with a little bit of olive oil, some of that lemon juice, and fresh dill. Give them a little toss so that everybody gets a little bit of that sauce. Then we can set this aside until we're ready to plate up. Okay, the orzo is done. Drain it and then put it right back into that pot on low heat. Okay, now we'll just add a tablespoon of butter, a little bit, about half of that lemon juice, and of course a little bit of salt. Gotta have the flavoring, and mix that all up. Ooh, it's starting to smell delicious. That lemony aroma, yum, this is gonna be really good. All right, turn that down. We're just gonna keep this lightly warm until the shrimp is ready.
Okay, I'm using the same pan. Oh, and by the way, in case you missed something or you want to check out the full list of ingredients, you can find the recipe in the description down below. I'm tossing in some sugar snap peas, plus a little salt and pepper. And I'll saute these for about 3 minutes. You want them to stay nice and crisp. Then I'll add the garlic. Just cook it for about 30 seconds just to get it fragrant. Oh, smells so good in here. Now the shrimp go back into the pan along with the rest of the butter, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Toss it all together to coat everything in that buttery, citrusy sauce. All ready to plate up?
All right, I will plate up the orzo. It's buttery and lemony. Looks delicious. Then we can just put the tomatoes here on the side. Ooh, added a lot of tomatoes. I love those. Angie's gonna add the shrimp and then we can eat.
We're gonna add the shrimp and the sugar snap peas right over the top of the orzo. Then we're gonna pour some of that extra sauce. Oh, it's gonna make such great flavor.
This looks amazing. It's fresh, vibrant, and it's so easy to make. I'm gonna give it a try.
Oh wow, that lemon pepper shrimp has the perfect balance of tangy and savory. And the orzo, buttery perfection.
Let us know what you'd like us to cook next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.